Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Kelechi here, and this is my unboxing and review of the Tecno Camon 15A. Another introduction to the camera-centric series of Tecno. So when you open the box, you are greeted with a smartphone, an envelope that houses a SIM ejector tool, the warranty card, a TPU case. Let's see how it fits. Very firm and durable. Then you have the screen protector, a micro USB cable, a 10-watt charger adapter, and the earphone. So let's go ahead and peel the sticker off. The Camon 15A has an eye-catching design. I have the malachite blue color and it's really appealing. Personally, I love this color option. It is so calming. On the right side is the power button and the volume rocker. On the left side is the dual nano SIM and the micro SD card slot. Nothing on top. On the bottom is a single firing speaker, a micro USB port, a microphone, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the back is the camera bump, a quad camera setup of 48 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel secondary, 2 megapixel AI bokeh lens, and a QVGA lens. On the front panel is a 6.6-inch Full HD punch hole display, an IPS LCD panel with 266 pixels per inch density, 720 by 1600 pixel resolution. The display is massive and cinematic, and YouTube videos are limited to 720p, thanks to the thin bezels on top and below. The punch hole camera cutout has a dual flashlight to help your night shots. It's an 8 megapixel lens. Nothing obstructs your viewing experience on the Camon 15A. The colors are accurate with good viewing angles. If you expand the display settings, you have the dark mode feature and also the eye care. Honestly, I love the idea of the Camon 15A. It is not less a smartphone in the budget category. This phone is priced at $66,000 or $170. Very pocket friendly and affordable. The Camon 15A comes with Helio P22 chipset. It is an octa-core processor that is clocked at 2.0 GHz, 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB internal storage capacity. The Camon 15A is not built for heavy gaming, but if you must, it has to be on low settings, especially PUBG. PowerVR GE8320 is the graphic chip available here. The Camon 15A is powered by a massive 5000 mAh battery. There is no fast charge support, and it takes 3 hours to charge up to 100%. The main camera is a 48 megapixel main lens. The picture quality is clear and fine. For you to get the best out of every shot, it has to be daylight or at a very good light condition. So these are sample photos from the quad camera combination. It shoots 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. What are your thoughts on the picture and the video quality? The 8 megapixel front camera is quite amazing. It adopts a brilliant clarity on its images. Thanks to the AI effect, it gives real-time optimizing to its images. So guys, this is a 1080p video from the front-facing camera of the Camon 15A. It shoots at 30 frames per second. What do you think of the sound quality and the picture? The Camon 15A does not show laggings in any way. The 3 GB of RAM is not a total letdown here. Multitasking is smooth and gaming should be on the lighter settings. There is a whole lot of customizations embedded, thanks to the iOS 6.0 on the Camon 15A. The fingerprint is fast. Tecno confirms that the face unlock can automatically detect your closed eye. That is also new as well. For network and connectivity, the Camon 15A is 4G, not 5G, and also supports OTG, ambient light and proximity sensor. The Camon 15A is a good smartphone and a pocket-friendly device. You have a massive 6.6-inch display to consume all your media content. The display is bigger than the Camon 15 and a massive battery to take you through your day-to-day tasks without backing down. But obviously not the best smartphone out there, but good value for money. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and drop your comments as well. And if you want to know what I'm up to, the links are below. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.